Weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
Starting off this Wednesday morning with some chilly temperatures and some locally dense fog, especially in eastern Middle Tennessee. The usual foggy spots in the valley locations, especially northeastern Middle Tennessee. Some 1 mile visibility showing up on the fog tracker. It's not a big deal around Metro Nashville. Temperatures have stayed just warm enough to keep that fog from developing in abundance. There may be a few foggy spots, especially outside of downtown Nashville, but you can see visibilities are just fine right around downtown. Temperatures are cool, but it's a cool time of year. 43 degrees in Nashville is actually a couple degrees above average. Normal low on Veterans Day is 41 degrees. It's exactly 40 in Smyrna and Murfreesboro, 38 degrees in Spring Hill, but that's not the cool spot. 34 degrees right now, the chilly spot, in fact, in Cookeville, just a couple degrees above freezing. Mid-40s as you head farther to the west. Just a bit of cloud cover here in southwestern Middle Tennessee, holding a couple degrees worth of warmth near the ground. Regardless of whether you're in the 30s or 40s, we are going to warm up rapidly, well into the 60s by lunchtime and into the low 70s for high temperatures this afternoon. It's about 10 degrees above normal. All this is happening ahead of the next chance of showers and thunderstorms that's going to be moving in from the west as we head through the late evening and overnight hours. The storms are going to arrive in the Tennessee River Valley around 9 p.m. Could be a little earlier, could be a little later. We won't know for sure until the storms actually develop and start heading our way. Looks like around Metro Nashville by midnight and then later, and the storms won't be as strong by the time they move into eastern Middle Tennessee and even for the western part of the mid-state. It's a marginal threat of severe weather. It's a good chance of rain. In fact, virtually a certainty of rain overnight. But the only thing we're really going to be watching for that we have to be concerned about is the potential for some damaging straight line winds. And even then, just out of a few of the thunderstorms that move in. Temperatures tomorrow will be cooler. It'll be breezy behind the system. In fact, it's going to be cool all the way through the weekend before we start warming up again early next week. Melanie?
All right, thanks, Paul. Well, taking a look out on the roads, we're still